Today I received this gigantic, fantastic package from Southampton Lockpicking Club. They had sent me a package with lots of locks and some club merchandise, and I just can't express my gratitude to them. They were very supportive with me during my recent hip replacement, and they've worked with several club members to put together this package, especially the Irish lockpicker Peter Lewis and Coxey's Picks contributed some locks to this, as well as members of the Southampton club themselves. So let's dive into here and see what they sent me. Slide this over a little bit, pull things out one at a time. Here we have a nice, beautiful box. See what they have in here. Like coffee mug. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Southampton Lockpicking Club. Watch us on YouTube. Boy, that is neat. I wasn't expecting anything like this. Gosh. A nice sticker. And a key ring. Very, very nice. Thank you. Out. Here's the first lock. Two beautiful 220 scars. Look at that. Gorgeous. Very cool. And this didn't take too long to come over from England, especially with the mail service both here in the United States and in Great Britain. Things have been horribly slow. Squire 440 with a practice cover on it. Look at that. Now you can see as you're picking the levers what you're doing, so you know what you're feeling. I believe this came from Peter Lewis's collection. There we go. Whoa, it's a belfry. 4-lever. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Wow. I don't know if this came from Peter or Coxey. Can't imagine it might be Coxey. But whoever sent it, thank you very much. I'll lay it down in here. Too bad I only have 2 hips. They've both been replaced now. Ooh, looks like some sort of bank lock. See the levers in there. Wow, I don't have anything like this. Very, very neat. Very neat. So many locks. Another practice lock, 660. Look at the levers in there. 4. Henry Squire and Son. Drilled out, added screws in there, so you can remove the cover and put this one back on when you've practiced enough on this to know what you're feeling to do. You can put this on there and actually do it for real. Extremely nice. Wow. Same with this one. It's got screws on it as well. Okay. My gosh. Still more. This one's huge and heavy. My goodness. This is gorgeous. Oh, Chubb battleship. My gosh. Thank you so much, whoever sent this. Wow. These are hard to come by in the U.S. Very expensive. Just fantastic. Wow. That's my phone in the background. My answering machine will take care of that. Here is the last lock. Whoa, Chubb Cruiser. Look at that. Wow. My goodness. This is just an incredible package that you guys sent me. And all the people who contributed to all these locks. This is just great. I can't thank you enough. I'm so appreciative. This is going to keep me busy and occupied. Wow. And here's the package with all the keys. Ooh. I have a time just trying to find which key goes where. I think it's that one. Wow. This is just incredible. Huh. That's the one for the job. The cruiser fits and works like a glove. Again, can't thank you all. Southampton Lockpicking Club, Peter and Coxie and all those who helped put this package together. Thank you very, very much. And I'll be playing with these for a long, long time. Thank you again. Bye-bye.